Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter means of transport. In previous class, we discussed air transport. Today, we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. They are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, state whether true or false, and answer briefly. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct options. Students, in this exercise, you are given 3 options with each question. You have to read carefully and choose correct one. Now, let's see first number. Development in science and technology has replaced options are steam engine, petrol engine, diesel engine, and correct answer is petrol engine. We have already discussed that the development in science and technology helped to replace the earlier steam engines with petrol and electric engine. So correct answer is petrol engine. Now come in second number. What is an indicator of the level of development of a country? Options are food, culture, transport, and correct answer is transport. We have already discussed that the means of transport are known as the lifelines of country's economy, and it is an indicator of the development of a country. So transport is correct answer. Now coming third number. It is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. Airways, waterways, railways. And correct answer is airways. Airways is the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. Now coming fourth number. The length of India's coastline is. Options are 7,617 kilometer, 3,500 kilometer, and 6,872 kilometer, and correct answer is 7,617 kilometer. Now coming fifth number, which is the busiest air route in India. Options are Delhi, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and correct answer is Mumbai, Delhi. Mumbai, Delhi is the busiest air route in India. Now coming second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Student, in this exercise you are given help box. With the help of help box you have to fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. Efforts are being made to reduce the consumption of petrol and gas, and correct answer is diesel. Efforts are being made to reduce the consumption of petrol and diesel. Now coming second number. National highways link all dash of India, and correct answer is states. National highways link all states of India. Now coming third number. Dash water transport is mainly for trade and tourism, and correct answer is overseas. Overseas water transport is mainly for trade and tourism. Now coming fourth number. Increase in transportation cost is added to the dash of an item. Correct answer is price. Increase in transportation cost is added to the price of an item. Now coming fifth number. Dash roads are constructed along the borders for the movement of army. Correct answer is border. Border roads are constructed along the borders for the movement of army. Now coming sixth number. Vehicles cannot run without dash. Correct answer is fuel. vehicles cannot run without fuel. Now coming third exercise, that is state whether true or false. Let's see first number, road have encouraged national unity. Yes, it is true statements. Roads have encouraged national unity. So you will write here true. Now coming second number, the first train covered a distance of 134 kilometers. No, it is false statement. The first train that had started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. The journey lasted for 1 hour and 15 minutes and covered a distance of 34 kilometers, not 134 kilometers. So it is false statement. So you will write here false. Now coming third number, earlier pipelines were used for gas transportation. It is also false statements. Earlier pipelines were used for water transportation. So here also you will write false. Now coming fourth number. Use public transport system to reduce traffic on roads. Yes, it is true statement. We should use public transport system to reduce traffic on roads. So here you will write true. Now coming fifth number, crude oil is supplied by trucks to the oil refineries. No, it is false statement. Crude oil is not supplied by trucks to the oil refineries. So here you will write false. Now coming exercise D, that is answer briefly. Let's see first number, mention two problems created by increase in road traffic. Answer is two problems created by increase in road traffic are traffic jams, pollutions, and you can add more, road accidents. Now come in second number, what are the advantages of airways? Answer is airways are the fastest and most comfortable means of transport. The chief advantage of air travel is that it can cover difficult landforms like mountains, deserts, forests and water bodies without any problem. Now come in third number, which is the best mode of transport? Why? Answer is railway is the best mode of transport. It is the cheaper and comfortable mode of transport. It can carry thousands of people and tons of goods at a time and can cover long as well as short distance. Now coming question number 4. Name any two renewable sources of energy. Answer is two renewable sources of energy are solar energy and wind energy. Now coming question number 5. List two changes that have improved railways in recent times. Answer is students, there are many facilities that are provided by railways like restaurants facility, resting rooms, telephone services, computerized reservation, container services, etc. You can write any two. Now today's home assignment, learn and write these exercises. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.